how to measure angles using a protractor. A protractor is a tool designed specifically for measuring angles. To use a protractor correctly, we need to follow 3 important steps. First, we align the vertex. This center point at the bottom of the protractor right here needs to be on the vertex. It needs to line up with the vertex of the angle. If the vertex is not placed correctly, the measurement will be incorrect. Next, align one of the rays with the baseline of the protractor, this line down here, and that can be the baseline on the right, like I did here, or on the left. That part's not important as long as it lines up along that bottom line. Finally, once we have our angle, we can measure where the other ray intersects the protractor scale. And this number tells us the angle measure. We actually get 2 angle measures. Here, I can see I have 123 degrees. But I also have an angle measure of 57 degrees. For acute angles, we always read the smaller number. And for obtuse angles, we would read the larger number. So in this case, 57 degrees. Students often make several mistakes when using a protractor. Some students do not place the vertex at the center, like we see here. Others fail to align that bottom edge correctly, as we see here. And many students read the wrong scale on the protractor, like reading this angle as 59 degrees instead of 121 degrees. As teachers, it's helpful to show incorrect examples and ask students to explain what went wrong. This helps students develop stronger measurement skills. Next, we'll explore another way to think about angles, as wedges and rotations.